Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Disabling Proxy in Selenium WebDriver with Python on Windows. Introduction. Proxy settings in Selenium WebDriver can sometimes interfere with web scraping or testing scenarios, leading to undesired results. If you want to stop connecting through a proxy or disable proxy settings in Selenium WebDriver using Python on Windows, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Prerequisites. Steps to disable proxy in Selenium WebDriver. Step 1. Import required libraries. Step 2. Create WebDriver with proxy settings. Step 3. Disable proxy settings. Step 4. Example usage. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively disable proxy settings in Selenium WebDriver using Python on Windows. Adjust the code according to your specific needs and browser preferences. Keep in mind that disabling proxy settings may affect your ability to access certain websites, so use this feature judiciously based on your testing or scraping requirements. ChatGPT.